So good morning, I'm Ray and I'm down my vegetable garden and it's a very misty start of the morning. And what are we doing? I hear a challenge and we've got 2 bottles. So what are we up to? We're up to carrot in a bottle challenge. Let's go. So last night Dean from Dean's Lost the Plot started a challenge to grow carrot in 2 2-litre bottles. So let me show you my attempt of growing a carrot in a bottle. Let's go in the polytunnel and I'll show you. So I like a challenge. So we've got 2 bottles and I'm going to take the labels off. And we're going to keep the tops. So that's our 2 bottles. The next step, we're going to take off the bottoms. There's a small ridge which we can cut around. There's one. And that's number 2. So this one's going to be our top bottle and this one will be the bottom one. So as we can see, these 2 fit in nicely. So we've got a long tube. So we're going to cut out the top bit of the second bottle. So we're going to cut just along the front. Now that bit will slide nicely into this one. So there we go. So we have one long tube. We will keep the top. So let's fill this with compost. We'll go and get some. So here we have some compost, actually. So we're just drilling a few holes around the base for a bit of drainage. Around the edge here. If I don't lose my screw. There we go, so we've got a few drainage holes around the neck. We can just take off the top, but I think leaving the top on will make a small reservoir. And that might make a bonus. So that's our bottle with some drainage holes. So now I'm just going to fill the bottle with the compost. So in theory we should need about 3 litres of compost. And we're not going to fill it up to the top. We're going to leave it with a few bits left. Look at those bits. There we go. So we need some seeds. One more thing. We need a pot to hold this in. So let me go and find a bigger pot. Nope, need a bit bigger. So go and find a bigger pot and go and find some seeds. So we've got our pot and we've stuck it into a smaller flower pot so it can stand, although it's still a bit wobbly. Might have to rethink this idea. But we've just been going through our seeds and we found some carrot seeds, although this is only a small section of the seeds I've got, but I've still managed to find quite a few carrots. So what have we got? We got chantenay, they're stumpy ones, they're no good. We got Nance, early Nance, Autumn King, early Nance, Autumn King, early Nance, Cosmic Purple, Royal Chantilly, they're stumpy, or Amsterdam Solo. So we have Cosmic Purple, Amsterdam Solo, Autumn King, or Nance. So I'd like to do the purple ones. Not sure that they're going to grow so long. I think it's going to be Nance. Early finger or full size carrots. Or Amsterdam. Not so sure. Which one shall I do? Both similar, I think. Let's do Nance. These have been opened, so that's the option. They're already open. So we're just going to take our seeds, we're not going to use too many. Make a little divot. I'm just going to put 1 pinchful into the bottle. The rest can go back. Maybe I'll stick these in the tunnel. So we've got one little section. We're just going to fill this up with a bit more multi-purpose. And job done. So that is our carrot in a bottle challenge sorted. So we'll keep an eye on this, and we look forward to seeing everyone else's challenges and seeing what we can do. So this is carrot, Nance, sorted. So this is the bottle, and we're just going to give it a quick water. And there we go. That's the carrot in a bottle challenge. So thank you for watching, and if you like what you see, please subscribe, ring the bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much. Please leave me a comment. We love reading your comments, and we'll reply to everybody. So thank you very much. Cheers.